Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be all about at-home waxing or hair removal. This is definitely a different video than I normally do, but I think this kit is so cool. So I wanted to kind of unbox and share with you. This is the Tress Wellness Complete Waxing Kit. So you can do this from the convenience of your own home. It's really nice. It comes with a lot of different products that I'm going to share with you inside. But a lot of you probably think waxing, you probably get scared. You think, oh my goodness, like my brow's gonna get waxed off, or oh my God, it's gonna hurt, and this and that. And with this, that is totally not the case. I know also years ago, I used to pay money to get my brows waxed at the Benefit Brow Bar before I got my eyebrows microbladed, and that was pretty pricey, and I'm sure it's even more now. It was like, I feel like it was like $25, and I got it done every month and a half, and now it's probably $30 to be honest with you, and then you have to tip. So having an at-home waxing kit could potentially save you a lot of money. You can do other areas, you can do your lip, your chin, your underarms, etc. So I kind of want to go through what's inside the box, share it with you, and then do a demo as well to show you how great this works. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell down below. And without further ado, if you would like to see more about this at-home waxing kit, then just keep watching. On the side of the box, it tells you what is included in the kit. It comes with the warmer, the wax beads, wooden sticks, pre-wax and after-wax spray, paper rings, and an instruction manual. So we're going to get into all of that. I just wanted to mention that it does say that on the box. Now, some of the stuff I already started like taking out. The warmer is very big, so I wanted to take it out first. So this is what the warmer looks like. Very pretty, self-explanatory. And then I'm going to take the lid off, and then that is where you are going to pour the hard wax to get heated. So I'm going to set this aside because I am going to be plugging it in shortly and pouring the hard wax in. Next we will get to, I'm going to set that right there. They include 5 bags of the hard wax, and you guys, this lasts a really long time. I think today I'm going to do the peppermint, but it comes with all different hard wax beans. So this is the tea tree. As you can see, we've got peppermint, which I think I'm going to do today. I'm going to do the peppermint, you guys. Then there is lavender. There is eucalyptus. And there is lemon. Again, this is enough wax for a really long time. It's really nice that they include all different ones, and they include 5 of them. So next we're going to get into the final items in here. There is a warranty card, you guys. There is a 2-year warranty on this, so that is great. If anything goes wrong, you have a 2-year warranty. You just have to read the instructions on the back. So I didn't even know that. And then next it comes with wooden sticks. So this is how you are going to be applying the wax. Once it's in the warmer, you're just going to dip it in, and then you will be applying it to, whatever area. Today, the area I think we're going to do to test this out on camera is going to be the back of my hand. I have all little like blonde baby hairs. I don't know if they're going to pick up on camera, but that's what we're going to be testing out. So anyways, it comes with a bunch of wooden sticks, and then once you're out, wooden sticks are really inexpensive, you guys, or popsicle sticks, whatever. So they include a bunch of those. Then we've got these 2 solutions. This is the pre-wax spray. So basically you're going to use this to kind of clean the area. And we've got the after wax spray, and it says moisture and smooth, and it removes any of the wax residue. Again, decent amount. It's going to last you a long time. And then to make it easier, they include the spray bottle caps to go on it. If you don't want to, kind of dab it onto like a cotton ball or anything, you can use the spray bottle, which I think I'm going to do because it just makes life easier. And then this right here is the ring that actually goes on top of the warmer. I'll kind of just quickly try to show you again like what I mean. I'm going to take it out of the packaging, but once I do, this goes on top of that. So I'm just going to set that down over there. Last but not least, it comes with a whole guide. It says Wax Like a Pro Quick Beginner's Guide, and then it just has all the instructions and then the areas. So you can do your eyebrows, and it tells you how to do that. You can do your upper lip, chin, and cheeks, underarms, and bikini Brazilian. So as you can see right there, and then it just has some extra tips and tricks, and then what's the last page, and that's it. And then it just shows the beans on the back. So yeah, it does definitely come with a lot. I think it's a really great value. Again, you can do this from the convenience of your own home. So I had to move because the plug over there wasn't the appropriate plug, and I didn't have an extension cord, so I had to go buy an outlet. So I have everything set up right here. Honestly, it did not take that long for the wax to melt. I didn't even pour, I poured like a half bag of the peppermint in, and I just turned it up, and that's what I want to show you. I just got to be careful because it is kind of warm. But I did want to show you that it's digital, so it's really cool. So as you can see right now, the temperature is at the max of 257 degrees, and it's pretty much completely melted. So now when they say it's melted, you can kind of just put it to whatever temperature you want. So I think I'm gonna kind of just pump it down maybe to like 200 or so, but it is a digital screen, which is nice. Hopefully that's picking up. And then I mentioned these rings before. It does come with a few of these paper rings, but basically what you do is you kind of set it on top, as you can see, and then you are going to wipe off the excess wax on top of this paper. So that's kind of what it's for, which I'm going to be doing. And then I am going to put the pre-wax on. So I was mentioning that the back of my hand is going to be the area I'm going to be doing. Now they do say to do a test area 24 hours before you are going to be waxing, just to make sure, you know, everything's okay, your skin reacts okay. So I'm going to be doing the back of my hand. And also, like, I don't know if it's going to pick up on camera, but I have a bunch of like baby hairs, like blonde baby hairs. They're pretty long. My arm hairs don't grow anymore, which I guess that's fine with me. But from here up, they always grow back. So I figured this would be the perfect area to kind of do. And then when I wax it, you'll probably be able to see the hairs that it pulls. So now we're going to do the pre-wax spray, which it says cleans and moisturizes. So I'm going to just spray like 2 sprays on. You can see I'm going to rub it in, and then we're just going to let it dry for a second. You guys can hopefully see that it's on. By the way, it smells amazing. It smells like coconuts. And then this actually has all the instructions on the back of it. So basically it says, once the wax melts, take the lid off and set to your desired temperature. We already did that. Clean the area to be waxed with the pre-wax spray. Then it says use this little spatula or, you know, popsicle stick, whatever, to apply the wax in the direction of hair growth. So I'm going to apply it this way, and then once the wax hardens, you're going to rip it off in the opposite direction, and then afterwards we're going to go in with the after wax spray. So I can't like tip it forward, but it is all melted, and I just want to see if the temperature of like the 200 is still okay. Yeah, it's good. And a little bit of this wax goes a long way. So we are going to start applying. It does get a little bit stringy, you guys, but that's what this little paper thing is for. I'm going to start applying it, as you can see, in the direction of the hair growth. It dries really quickly, you guys, which is nice. So I'm going to keep kind of applying it. I'm going to try to do like a large area so we can see how much it covers. Even though I'm getting the strings on me, it's okay. Almost done, you guys. Just trying to do all this. Okay, so I'm going to set the spatula down. I know you didn't really see it, but it is like almost dry. Just feels a little tight. I'm going to just wait a little bit longer. And the 200 degrees is fine. It was at 257. But now it's at 200, and it doesn't feel like it's burning or anything like that. Just wait like maybe a couple more seconds, but that's what it looks like, you guys. It's dry, it's not drippy. So it's nice too because it's not like super messy. All right, so let's attempt to do this, and we'll see like what it feels like and what it gets. And I might have to like do it again just to like get everything, but I'm gonna kind of just rip. I'm gonna even just try to rip the whole thing off, to be honest with you guys, to see if it comes off all in one. Okay, honestly, you guys, that didn't hurt. Like, it didn't hurt, and I know I have a little bit of residue right here, but I just want to show you, like, if I look up at the light, yeah, I can see all those blonde hairs are gone. Like, I don't know if it's gonna be able to pick up on camera, but I definitely see. So I might just like do one more kind of round, get all this gunk off me, and then any of the areas, like I think more up toward the top of like my wrist, I didn't really do. So let's just do that. We're gonna apply a little bit more, and I might just let it harden a little bit longer, you guys. Just gonna do this area right here. we're just gonna let it dry. And again, as I was saying before, I do plan on maybe tomorrow, like the next day, doing my bikini area and testing it out. And this is good to test out too, because we don't want it to like hurt when we're doing our bikini area. So yeah, I'm just gonna let that dry a little bit more. So now I'm gonna peel off everything. This time I kind of just want to go like this. I want to go like that. And yeah, let's see. Holy crap, it got a lot of hair. I just don't know if it's gonna pick up on camera, but take my word for it. Like, I see all the hairs, you guys. It works, definitely works. And you know, you don't need the paper, so you don't need to buy, you know, the paper strips. So that's definitely savings. It dries instantly. It's not super sloppy. Any of the wax, it dries instantly, so it's not like messy or anything. So now I have like a little bit of residue on the back of my hand, as you can see. So we are going to go in with this after wax spray. I'm gonna spray a little bit of it on, and I'm gonna kind of rub it in. And yeah, all the residue comes, like the wax residue comes completely off. Like, as you can see, it pretty much came completely off. It doesn't stick on your hand or stay on your hand, which is nice. Really am a fan of the wax formula. It's super easy. It's not painful. I'm just gonna turn this off now, and then next time when I go to use it, all I have to do is turn it on. There's still a bunch of wax left in there. Okay, so if you guys are interested in the Trace Wellness waxing kit, which I would highly recommend, you can do it from the convenience of your own home and save time and honestly money. I will have this link down below, but anyways, that is it. Let me know in the comments down below. Do you have an at-home waxing kit? Are you thinking of trying this one, or do you pay to get waxing done? Maybe you're gonna reconsider. I'd be curious to find out, but anyways, that is it. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.